Hello, this is Moose 2006, and today we're going to be looking at stump removal and sapling planting, or the planting of new trees, basically. So you're going to need two things for both of these. If you go to forestry equipment, your stump removal tool is right here, really cheap, and then your planting tool is right here, also not too expensive. And you can see in fruit types it has the picture of the tree. So the first thing we'll look at is stump removal. I have quite a few stumps here. I'm not going to remove all of them in this video for time's sake, but I'll do a couple. So go ahead and put your stump removal tool or implement on the front or back of your tractor, doesn't matter. And then you can notice you can raise and lower it. If you hit B, it'll turn on, and if you lower it onto a tree stump, it'll start cutting away, and you just give it time, and eventually it'll cut it away. Sometimes it'll do this where it goes for a long time and won't cut it, so you just sort of have to play with moving it around, raising and lowering it more, and eventually, there you go, eventually it'll actually cut and get rid of it. So just lower it until the whole stump is gone, and there you go. So I can raise this back up, go to my next stump, and cut. And the nice thing about this implement is you can move it from side to side, so you don't have to line it up exactly with the front of your tractor. You have a lot of room to move it up and down and around. So get rid of this guy. Do one more. You can also hit V and it'll lower it like, you know, most other implements. So I'll hit V, that'll get it closer to the ground, and then get rid of the slow one here. And there you go. It's a very simple process. Oh, okay. So raise it up, turn it off, and that's it for stump removal. Very simple. You can also use it to get rid of logs or branches on the ground that you don't want to pick up or wood chip. You can just grind them down with the same implement there. So now let's look at actually planting new saplings in their place. You're going to need this implement here on the back, this tree planter. And the first thing you have to do is load it up with new saplings. Again, if you watch my other videos, once Fraps is on, the performance and lag issues happen, so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, so you need this implement, but you have to fill it up with saplings first. So if you go over to the garden center, which is in the bottom left, it's a little northwest of your cows, you can go ahead and purchase, I think, 20 trees at a time. Yeah, 20 pieces for 40 bucks, really cheap. So purchase them, they'll land there, so then you just have to back up into it. Hit F1 so I know, and then push R, and it'll just hop on there like that. So now we can plant trees. I can plant them basically wherever I want. I could put them there. I could buy a field, fill up the field with them. They give you a lot of liberties with where to put them. I'm going to just go put them back in place of these stumps over here. Just kind of keep the forest together, basically. So there's some more performance issues, of course. Alright, so I'll find where I want to start. So I just kind of want to do maybe a line of trees right here. So you go ahead and you lower it. Oh, got to change to my... There we go. Lower it. You'll see it kind of digs into the ground. Push B will turn it on, and then just start driving, and it'll plant that one. And if you just keep driving, it'll automatically plant the next one at a good distance. You don't have to press anything else, just turn it on and drive, and you'll get a nice row of trees. There we go. You can turn, put them wherever you want. I'll probably plant one more and then jump this path here. There we go. Turn it off. Go over this road. And... oh, I guess I didn't turn it off, but anyway. And there you go. Very simple process. I've never actually had... let's see what's going on. I need to raise this, turn it off. There we go. So I've never actually had trees fully grown yet. so I haven't been able to time it. I've read the message boards say like 10 to 11 days for a fully grown tree. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but that's planting them. You can also, let's see if I remember how, if you go to placeables, you can buy, is it the fir, I think? You can buy a fir tree and just plop them down. You know, just plant your own forest with those. I find that kind of cheap or cheating. Since it's a simulator, I like to simulate as much as possible. So I prefer to grow my own to cut down, but totally up to how you play and how you want to do it. So there is stump removal and how to plant new trees, two pretty simple processes. I hope this has helped. If it has, please leave a like, leave a comment. Subscription's always great. If you didn't like it, if there's anything confusing still, please go ahead and leave a comment so I can get back to you on that, and also improve the next video I make. So thanks for watching, and have a very nice day.